How to check your battery health on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Are you noticing your iPhone battery draining faster than usual or just curious about your battery condition? If yes, then checking your iPhone's battery health is quick and can help you understand how well your battery is performing. So first of all, unlock your iPhone and open up the Settings app. Once inside the Settings app, go ahead and tap on Battery. Now select the Battery Health and Charging option at the bottom, and on the next page, look for Maximum Capacity. This shows you how much battery capacity remains compared to when the iPhone was brand new. If your maximum capacity shows 100%, then it's in excellent condition. If it shows 90 to 99, it is still very good. If it shows 80 to 89%, it's normal aging. If it is below 80, just like mine, the battery may need replacement soon. So that's it. You can also turn on the optimized battery charging button from the bottom, and this will help reduce long-term battery wear. So that's how you know how to check your iPhone's battery health anytime. If the video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.